Hello, everyone, and welcome to Wednesday. Today's screencast will be on writing a body paragraph. Okay, so once you all get into no red ink, then you're going to go to the assignment. Hopefully, you already have a title and you've written your introduction, although several of you, it looks like 34 of you out of my 70 students have not yet finished your introduction. So you're going to do that. And there's a screencast that was posted on Monday that will give you instructions on how to do that. So if you haven't done your introduction yet, do your introduction today and look on Monday's stream on Google Classroom for the introduction screencast. Now, if you've already written your introduction, if this is full, and today you're going to write a body paragraph. Now, you can write more than one if you want to, but basically, I just want you to write one today and do a really good job of writing that one. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to these. You're going to click on where it says add your body paragraphs. Okay. When you do that, you will notice before you ask me questions, and look, I have absolutely no problem, okay, helping you out. But you have to look at this first. You have to say, want help with your body paragraph? And you have to read all this, okay? And it's going to tell you what you're going to do. There's a tutorial here, okay? It's going to take you through a tutorial. So it's going to basically, when you click on this, you go view tutorial, and then it goes through it for you, okay? Now you've written your introduction. You're going to write your body paragraphs. It even says, where do I start? Because some of you message me and say, where do I start, Mr. Weber? How do I start my body paragraph? Make sure you watch this first. Click on where do I start? And then you say, you're going to start with your topic sentence. Now, you have to remember what your thesis is. Okay? Well, it's not letting me highlight this, but basically right here, the U.S. government should lower the voting age to 16. That's not your thesis. This is an example. Your thesis is either parents should monitor their child's social media accounts or parents should not monitor their social media accounts. But whatever your thesis is, have it in mind because your topic sentences are your reasons why you think that parents should monitor or your reasons why you think parents shouldn't monitor. So if you go to that pros and cons chart that you did the other day, okay, then those reasons that you put either under pro or under con, you're going to choose the best one and you're going to use it. So we start with your thesis about parents monitoring social media. And then this first sentence that is called a topic sentence and it's your first reason. So let me say, yeah, okay. So I've done an example here, okay? So if my thesis was homework should be voluntary and not mandatory, okay, I would use a nice transition word and put a comma and say homework should be voluntary because students have too many responsibilities at night and not enough time to do homework. So that's my topic sentence. Every other sentence in body paragraph 1 is then going to support that idea. Okay, what do you mean they have too many responsibilities? Okay, for example, many students need to watch their little brothers and sisters. Okay, so that's an example. And let's say that you would read an article that said that, 42% of students in New Jersey have to get their little brother or sister off the bus. Okay. So then what you're going to do is, let me see if I can go back to the right one here. That's not the right one. Here's the right one. Okay. Like this one right here. See this right here? A 2003 study in the American Journal of Political Science found the citizens who voted. So this is one like quote. Now they don't have it in parentheses because they're not quoting it. I'm sorry, they don't have it in quotation marks because they're not actually quoting it, but they're referencing it. Okay. You're going to go to one of your articles. Okay. Oh, no, I just X'd that out. I didn't mean to X it out. Let me try this. Okay. So you're going to go to one of your articles. Maybe you got a quote or you found good information here. Maybe you're doing something on cyberbullying. Okay. And you want to put something about cyberbullying, a quote about cyberbullying. So you're going to choose that. Okay. You're going to come up here and you can see that it's written by Lauren May. So you're going to do her last name, or you can even say in the Lauren May article, should parents monitor their child's social media, comma, it says, and then you put your quote, and you explain your quote. Okay, so we go back to, which one is it? There it is. So you would go back to this one and you say, in the Lauren May article, comma, it says, quotation mark, that's not a quotation mark, quotation marks, more than, I wish I could type, I really do. If I could type, I'd be good. Okay, more than 35% of middle schoolers have admitted to cyber bullying. Oops, I'll put the period there. Okay, and well, since I said in the Lauren May article, then I don't need to put it. Okay, so you can do something like that. All right, and then your next one here is going to come back and give another reason. They don't have enough time to do homework. What's another responsibility that you have at night? I have to do the dishes, clean the bathroom, and I don't know what else you're going to do, but you would put that here. Okay. So I want like two good reasons or two good supports for each answer. And then you're done. Okay. Your body paragraph, for those of you that are asking, is going to be approximately 7 or 8 sentences. Okay. So you're going to start off with your topic sentence here. Okay. You're going to give a couple examples. Okay. Don't just use quotes, but use it to support. All right. Remember always to support your quote. Okay. That kind of thing. And then give a second example, and then you're done. Okay. Now, again, if you're having problems, okay, remember topic sentence, we already did that. Let's click this evidence. Use evidence to convince readers your claim is true. It's a fact that comes from a source. Well, wait a minute. We did that. Okay. That's my evidence. And then my reasoning. Draw a conclusion from your evidence and explain how that conclusion starts your claim. Okay. So if we say, if kids are cyberbullying, comma, and their parents don't know about it, comma, it will continue. Period. Parents who monitor their child's social media will see that cyberbullying is happening and do something to stop it. So that's reasoning. That's when I do reasoning. Okay? And that's how I finish. Now again, there's other examples here. So if you want to use examples, where's my examples one? There's my examples one. If you click examples, okay, there's example one and example two. You scroll down a little bit. They have the topic sentence. They have the evidence. They have the reasoning. Okay. You can see how these paragraphs are not really that long. Okay. So you can come back up here and click on the other example. Okay. Topic sentence, evidence, reasoning. Topic sentence in yellow. Green is the evidence. Purple is the reasoning. Okay. So you can do that as well. All right. And then you come back, there's examples, there's all kinds of things down here. There are many, many different pieces of information that will help you write your body paragraph. Okay. And remember, this is difficult. It's hard to teach you how to do this when we're at school and I'm standing there and I'm showing you these examples and I'm available to come ask you for you to come and ask questions because I'm there. It's even harder doing it online. So I understand that it's difficult, but if you at least try it and use this, okay? If you come over here, where's my one? That's not the one I want here. Okay? If you try to do something like this, okay, and then you post it, and then it's not perfect, that's all right. For those of you who posted your introduction yesterday, I went through and I read them all, and I sent a bunch of emails with recommendations on how to make them better. I'm spending a ton of time, just like you're spending a ton of time. So give it a try. Try to do your body paragraph. If you didn't do your introduction, do your introduction first. Don't do your body paragraph without doing your introduction first. Okay? Try to catch up with us, but please do some writing today. And of course, I'm always available, and there'll be a thread for questions. Make sure that you're looking at all this. Make sure that you're looking at your tutorial, at your examples, at your tips and tricks, okay, before you finish it. Good luck. Have a great Wednesday. I'll talk to you again soon. Have a great day.